kay para magka-video ko ta.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Introducing our host for today, Mr. Mookie.
Alright, so hi, hello ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to the Bird Show. Oh, did you see our little sandkers? They were all the way from South America. Oh, did you see, buddy? Why don't you go back to go back, go. And of course, I want you to meet my best part of the stage, Skylar and Toby. Hey, buddies. Did you know that century or decades ago, human uses pigeons as a messenger to carry out messages? Because in the early century, there is no internet, email, fax, only the birds were used as a messenger. Okay, let me close the little house first. So now everyone, this shows focus participation, environmental messages, amazing stunts, awesome tricks, and of course, we are more on education, conservation, and entertainment. Now, the question is, are you guys ready to be amazed with our fine feathered friends? Are you ready? I can't hear your energy. Where's your energy? Aren't you guys ready? That's the energy. So now, to formally open the show, let me call my partner on stage, Miss Debbie, together with our beautiful named Amigo. Amigo's all the way from South America. Buddies? And did you know that Amigo wants to see his environment always clean and green? Now let's see what Amigo do. Pick up a plastic cup, walk all the way, you open the bin and jump it inside. Amazing. How about a beer can, Amigo? Walk all the way, open the bin and yes, put it inside. Last Amigo, Coca-Cola can, walk all the way and throw it inside. See? If the birds can do, what can't be, right? So please help us to maintain always our environment clean and green. Because here in the Cebu Safari, we all believe in the same, that cleanliness is always next to godliness, of course. Now, Amigo, together with his fine feathered friends, we're gonna welcome us all to the wild of Safari. Well, the nail down and welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. Welcome to the stage. Here's our twin blue and gold macaw. And wait, there's more coming down. Fly. So we have a total of 7 little macaws. Carl, Kyle, Mark, Marty, Tony, Harry, and Jay. And of course, one green week macaw named Ringo. Did you know that there were 370 species of parrots on Earth, and macaws are the largest? They love to eat sunflower seeds, and they also have a very, very hard beak, which is a hard shell nut, just like hazelnut and almond nuts. In the wild, normally they can live 70 years, unlike here in captivity, they can live up to more than 18 to 19 years. Now I guess they're going back home.
Dali araw no, 19 years, while kung sa wild, 18 years.
Okay, so now, for the next bird is a very, very special and intelligent bird. Now, I need your help to call his name. Can you help me out?
Anyon.
Can you say Jumbo?
Anyon.
Louder, please. Call his name one more time. Say Jumbo!
Jumbo!
Alright, Jumbo. Hey, he's our another quick macaw. Hey, Jumbo, good afternoon, everybody. Why didn't you wave to the people out there? Wave. Hi. Again, Jumbo, can you wave to the people out there? Hello. Macaws are very long and feathered, which can extend up to 3 feet from the body to the tail. Now, Jumbo, we're going to show you, is very, very long and feathered. Now, Jumbo, can you do us a favor? Why don't you turn around and show them your tail? Come on, turn around, buddy. Yes, great job. One more round, please. Yes, great job, Jumbo. And we can see most of their colors are outside their bodies and less color under its wings. So, you want to see wings? Can you see wings? Yes. One more time. How about say wings? And Mako's feet are zygidactylous backward. That means they have 2 toes that point forwards and 2 toes that point backwards. Now, Miss Debbie prepared a special reward for Jumbo because here in the Cebu Safari, we are trying to practice the reward system. Now, Miss Debbie, are you ready to give the reward? Now, let's do it. Now, Jumbo will carefully lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. So, by using his beak, it's because his beak serves as his third finger used for climbing and holding things. Now, as I've said earlier, that Jumbo is a very, very intelligent and a smart bird. You want to know why? Why though, Miss Debbie? It's because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. Now let's have an IQ test for Jumbo. For the first test will be the spelling test. I have here 5 animal pictures. I have here the camel, the snake, the tiger, the zebra, and a horse. Now, I want you guys to choose one animal picture. What do you want to choose? The tiger. How about this side? The zebra. Alright, let's have a votation. Raise your hand if who's in favor with the zebra. The zebra. How about the tiger? And majority wins the pick the tiger with Miss Janice. Now while Mr. B is busy preparing the joke letters, let's have a short talk with Miss Debbie. Alright, Miss Debbie, where does Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America. And where does Jumbo spend his study? Asan yung nag-eskwela si Jumbo?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Alright, so for those who are bird enrollment or enrollees, enrollment for the next year is now ongoing. Now, Jumbo, please take a look at the picture carefully. This is a tiger. This is not the zebra, okay? And choose the best answer, Jumbo. For the first letter, Jumbo, what will it be? Aggressively picks up the letter T. Imagine this is Jumbo letters. Second letter, Jumbo, no, right? Very good. Third letter, Jumbo. And the letter G. No coaching, please, no coaching. Fourth letter, Jumbo, what will it be? And the letter E. Very good. Last letter, Jumbo. The last letter. And he picks up the letter R. So tiger spells T-I-G-E-N-R. Now, let's make it more difficult for Jumbo. From the spelling test, the next test will be the mathematical test. And for that, we're going to have the addition. Now, I want you guys again to give me a number between 1 to 10. The higher, the better. Can you give me a number, please? 10. How about the side? 9. Alright, 10 plus 9. It's quite difficult, I think. Yes. 10 plus 9 is your B. Now let's have a short talk again with Miss Debbie. Miss Debbie, what is the favorite diet of Jumbo?
Variety of fruits, seeds, and vegetables.
Varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. And what is the last name of Jumbo? Unsay apelido ni Jumbo?
Hotdog.
Hotdog. What is the last name of Jumbo? Basta hotdog.
Virginia.
Say Jumbo, Virginia. Now, Sir Vin, are you ready? Okay. Now, Jumbo, look at the picture. Our number carefully. 10 plus 9, buddy. And choose or pick the best answer. First number. And aggressively picks up the number 1. Second number, Jumbo. I know you can do it, buddy. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Come on. And the number 9. Is that correct? So 10 plus 9 equals 19. So before Jumbo will go about the result, I've heard Miss Debbie that Jumbo is a very, very sweet type of bird. Can you show us how sweet Jumbo is? Everybody, can you say kiss? Kiss, Jumbo. Hey, one more time. Say kiss. Come on, Jumbo, kiss. Alright, so once again, a round of applause and say, "Power to our beautiful McConnell, Jumbo." Aside from addition, Jumbo can also do subtraction, multiplication, decimal point, fractions, any problem solving regarding math. Alright, so now we're done with Jumbo. Now I need a brave volunteer. Who wants to be the volunteer? Raise your hand. Alright, sister in the middle. Alright, sister. Okay.
Yan, yun ni isa pa. Ni isa pa siya.
Sister, there. Do not move. Do not move, sir. Are you ready? Now, everyone. Hi, ma'am. Can you turn off the flash of your camera? Okay. Now, everyone, I want you to meet one of the largest bird in the show. Our floppy second, your name, Bunny. Where are you, Bunny? I'm sorry, it's not the largest, but the cutest bird. So Bunny is all the way from South America. Suckers are known for having a golden plumage from their head down to his body and a green wings and also in their tails. They are also called as little macaws because of their screeching calls in which they love to make loud noises just to catch your attention. Thank you, sir. You may not take your seat. Thank you, Bunny. Now, Miss Giselle. Ready now? Atong volunteer, Miss Giselle, come on. Let's proceed to the breed shell club. Imam, you're like hat. Oh, just proceed to the breed shell club. Okay, stand right there, do not move. Hold the hat with your one hand. And please do not let the hat fall, okay? Are you ready, Mom? Now she's ready. So now, I want you to meet our couple seniors, Josh and Mitch, with your third party or the third wheel, Mama Delphine. So did you know that seniors are monogamous non-over, meaning in each pair, they will only have one partner for a lifetime. Yes. So nagpapili na lang ang third wheel. Mamang Delvin is busy eating the sunflower seeds, and sand juniors are also called as little macaws or sand parakeets in California. Now thank you, Mama. Will I go back to your home? You can go back now. Okay, thank you. Alright, thank you, Mom. Now, Miss Giselle, is the third volunteer ready? Alright, she's ready. Just proceed to the center. So gorgeous. Hi, Mom. Good afternoon. Welcome to Rachel. What's your name? Ma'am Camille. So na-briefing na Ma'am. Do you have now your money? Of course, Miss Camille has a 1,000 peso bill. So all you have to do with your money, Ma'am, is fold your money in half 3 times. 1, and 2, and 3. Okay. So Ma'am Camille, are you fond of watching Miss Universe every year? Yes, of course. So this time, is it okay that you will be the Miss Universe of Cebu Safari? Okay, just follow me. All right. Yes. Stretch your arm. Hold the money not so tight. Okay. And do the best Miss Universe pose. Pointed toe. Your 100 hips. That's the Miss Universe. Now I want you to meet the twin brother of Bunny, our another floppy second year name, Sunny. Where are you, Sunny? Hey, Sonny, I had to tell you. I have something to tell you. Miss Camille has a 1,000 peso bill. What do you do with money? Come on, why don't you fly to Miss Camille and pick up money? Come on. You fly to Miss Camille. Walk all the way, pick up money, fly back to Miss Emmy, and bye-bye, Sonny, and bye-bye 1,000. Happy New Year. Thank you, Mom. I'm gonna take your seat. Hala, times 2 daw. Are you sure, Mom, you want to give the money? Are you sure you want to give the money? Actually, we're just kidding, so we'll just return your money back. Of course, we will just return your money back. And Sunny is a very, very good bird. Okay? You're supposed to like this, open your palm. So once Sunny will put the money in your palm, all you have to do is grab your money, not the bird. Okay? Basing ang bird, yung mo mag-grab. Now this time, I want you to call Sunny. Sunny, can you please return my money?
Sunny, can you please return my money?
Sunny, can you please return the money? And all you're a very, very good bird. Did you know that Sonny doesn't love money, but he loves seeds? He loves red horse. Right, Sonny? Why did you give back the money to Miss Camille? Put the money down, fire that to Miss Debbie Corn. Oh, she's having a little wave. So once again, put your hands together. Perform inside your name, Sonny. Thank you, Miss Camille. You're not so crazy to see you. So from California, let's fly to Brazil, because we have here the wonder of the rainforest of Brazil, our handsome Tuca Mr. Horn.
Ay, ang heart.
So Tuca is known for having a black body and a white throat. They are also renowned for having a very, very colorful and a large lip. Some of you are wondering if their beaks are heavy, but actually it's not. So their beaks are extremely light, made up of protein, keratin, just like our ears and our nose. They love to eat fruits, they love to eat insects. Now Miss Debbie, we're gonna toast the papaya fruit and let's see how aggressive he is when catching his food. Is ready? And catch his food. How about one more time? And catch. Very good. He's a very, very good catcher type bird. And when they travel, they will just flap their wings and fly between branches. It's because they cannot sustain longer in the airborne because they only have a very, very short wingspan. So they will just hop and hop until he'll reach a certain destination. So I guess he's going back home. So once again, a round of applause for handsome Tuca, Mr. Horn. Now let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends, because we have here our yellow-crowned Amazon parrot, our mimicking bird, Lani and Rudy, together with my partner on the stage, Miss Janice. So this is Lani and that is Rudy. So yellow-crowned Amazon parrot are the most commonly killed Amazon due to its talking ability and playful. That's what, Miss Janice?
Yes, that's right. And mimicking is a common sound what we hear every day.
Right, so this is Lani and that is Rudy. So everyone, why did you say hi to Lani and Rudy?
Hello.
You hear that? Hello?
Again, say hi.
Aside from that, he's bully. Did you know that Rudy is a very, very bully type of bird? Hey, don't make me crazy love, okay? And aside from that, Miss Janice, what else can they mimic?
Well, they can mimic in different styles of the animal, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog.
Oh, a rooster, a cat, and a dog.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. How about the rooster first? Lani, Rudy?
Cockroach.
Again.
Okay, cockroach.
How about the cat?
Again, cat.
He loves the rooster. Yeah, she loves the rooster. How about a cat? Oh, you're making fun with me, okay? How about dog, Rudy? You can bark?
Dog, bark.
It's a cat. Oh, there it goes. Again, dog, Rudy, can you bark?
Bark.
How about telephone ringing? Telephone ringing. Very good. How about whistle, Rudy? Can you do the whistle? Whoa, whistle. So did you know that aside from that copying sounds of animal sounds, they also love singing. But before we sing,
They need to have a warm-up first.
of course, just like any other singers do, they need to have the warm-up first. Now, Lani, why did you face the recording? It's gone. Face it. Now, let's do the warm-up, Lani. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Look at that.
One more time.
La, la, la.
Oh, you're already warm up. So now, are you ready for the song?
Kanta sa Jaka.
But before that, let me ask you this. Does anyone celebrating their birthdays today? Does anyone?
Or within this month.
Hey, si Mami White. Alright. So, naidaghan. Alright, Lisa and Kislani and Rudy are gonna sing a very, very special song for you. Now, come on, Lani. Come on, Lani. Rudy, let's sing.
You should sing happy birthday.
Alright, singing happy birthday with matching crazy love. Let's try again, Lani. Alright, let's sing one more time. Happy birthday. Alright, so we're watching this. Let's try again. Di pa ako contento, Miss Janice. Alright, let's try.
Happy birthday.
One last time, happy birthday. And ready, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Alright, so once again, a round of applause to our Mimi Kingbird, Lani and Rudy. Thank you, Lani and Rudy. Thank you, Miss Janice and Miss Rachel. So now, you already witnessed the extraordinary skills of our cute, colorful, beautiful, fluffy birds. Now it's time to showcase our birds of prey. When we say birds of prey, top raptors like hawks, eagles, owls, kites, vultures, and many raptors irony. So for the first bird of prey, is a diurnal bird of prey. Diurnal meaning they're only active on daytime. And for that, we need a look headed by Mr. Wanted to meet one of the largest bird of prey in the show. Keep your heads up high to a young, white, the eagle, run on! Where are you, run on? Coming out! Fly to Mr. Hiya! What Galaxy Eagle are the king of the sea? They can fly up. Coming up, run on! Take over flight! Once again, a round of applause to our young white Galaxy Eagle, run it! All the way from Australia, coming up, buddies! We have three kinds of lorries: dusky lorries, chattering lorries, and the blue and red lorries. Last but not the least, we also have here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony, our group of features. Thank you. So now before we start on the show, let me call on the staff behind the success of every show. Of course, my partner is Miss Debbie to her young white Galaxy Eagle named Corona. On my left, Mr. J together with a blue and gold phone named Tarzan. Miss Janice together with another blue and gold phone named Jake. Hi Jake, can you wave? Hi. Hello. Miss Louie, Miss Giselle to the view to our salmon up there, Mr. Ricky, to our birds running up there, Mr. Greens and Mr.